Amazon has some really weird kitchen gadgets, and somehow they actually work. From smart tools you didn't know existed to bizarre gadgets that solve everyday problems, these finds are surprisingly useful. Some of these make cooking easier, others save time, and a few are just straight up impressive. Let's jump into the weirdest kitchen gadgets on Amazon that make perfect gifts. This smart food scale looks simple, but it's a surprisingly powerful kitchen gadget that turns everyday cooking into a more precise, stress-free experience. With ultra-accurate measurements down to 0.1 grams and easy unit switching, it helps eliminate guesswork whether someone is cooking, baking, or brewing coffee. The sleek glass surface and one-button design make it effortless to use and clean, even for beginners. When paired with the app, it becomes a data-tracking kitchen assistant, making it a weirdly smart gift that feels way more premium than expected. This soy milk maker feels like a weird kitchen gadget at first, but it quietly replaces store-bought plant milk with fresh homemade versions at the push of a button. With 6 preset modes and 0 soaking required, it saves time while letting users fully customize flavors like vanilla or chocolate. The built-in auto-clean feature and included glass pitcher make it surprisingly low effort for everyday use. It's the kind of smart, health-focused gift that instantly feels thoughtful, practical, and way more impressive than expected. This 6-in-1 indoor grill looks like a bulky countertop gadget, but it secretly replaces multiple appliances while delivering restaurant-style results at home. With its smart thermometer and automated cook system, it removes all the guesswork by hitting the perfect doneness with a single button press. Cyclonic grilling technology delivers high heat char and flavor while keeping smoke under control, even when cooking straight from frozen. It's a weirdly impressive all-in-one gift that makes anyone feel like a pro chef without the mess, stress, or extra oil. This cocktail machine looks like a futuristic bar gadget, but it instantly turns anyone into a home mixologist with 0 skill required. By simply inserting a capsule and selecting drink strength, it automatically pulls the right spirit and crafts a perfectly balanced cocktail in seconds. The smart barcode system and sleek display remove all guesswork while offering professional quality variety without the clutter of a full bar. It's a weirdly elegant gift that transforms casual nights into an experience people won't stop showing off. This automatic espresso machine looks like a sleek countertop appliance, but it's actually a smart coffee system that learns and remembers exactly how each drink is made. With app syncing and roaster-approved settings, it removes the trial and error and delivers barista-level espresso or drip coffee at the touch of a button. The ability to customize thousands of drink combinations and froth any type of milk makes it shockingly versatile for every coffee preference. It's a weirdly advanced kitchen gift that feels personal, luxurious, and impossible to go back from once used. This outdoor pizza oven looks like an over-the-top backyard gadget, but it delivers real restaurant-quality pizza in just 60 seconds. Its rolling flame system and extreme heat retention create perfectly crisp crusts and evenly cooked toppings without constant babysitting. Precise flame controls make it surprisingly easy for beginners, while still powerful enough for serious food lovers. It's a wildly impressive gift that turns outdoor cooking into a full-on pizza night experience people will talk about long after. This fresh meat slicer looks a little intimidating, but it's a surprisingly efficient tool for turning raw meat into perfectly even cuts in seconds. Using a simple sawing motion and adjustable blade thickness, it helps streamline meal prep for dishes like hot pot, barbecue, or jerky without needing bulky equipment. The sharp stainless steel blades and food-grade materials keep the process clean, safe, and precise. It's a weirdly practical kitchen gift that feels professional and makes home cooking way faster and more satisfying. This popcorn maker looks like a collectible toy, but it secretly doubles as a fully functional kitchen gadget. Designed to resemble R2-D2, it uses hot air to pop popcorn with no oil, making snack time healthier and mess-free. The detachable dome even turns into a serving bowl, making it as fun as it is practical. It's a weird, nostalgic gift that instantly wins over Star Wars fans and movie night lovers alike. This ice cream maker looks like a bulky countertop gadget, but it completely redefines what homemade frozen desserts can be. With one-touch programs and advanced creamerizing technology, it turns frozen ingredients into ultra-smooth ice cream, gelato, or smoothie bowls in minutes. Total ingredient control makes it easy to create everything from indulgent treats to low-sugar or dairy-free options. It's a weirdly powerful gift that lets anyone feel like a frozen dessert genius at home. This portable induction cooktop looks like a simple hot plate, but it delivers commercial-grade power and precision in a compact, countertop-friendly design. With ultra-fast heating, stable high-power output, and precise temperature control, it helps cook food evenly while using far less energy than traditional stoves. Built-in safety features and an easy-to-clean glass surface make it practical for everyday cooking in small spaces or on the go. It's a weirdly professional kitchen gadget that makes an unexpectedly smart gift for serious home cooks and minimalists alike. This meat thermometer looks like a small, simple probe, but it's actually a high-end smart cooking tool trusted by top food experts. With multiple internal sensors and a wireless connection, it tracks doneness in real time and even predicts when food will be perfectly ready. The fast response and ultra-accurate readings remove all the guesswork from grilling, roasting, or baking. It's a weirdly advanced kitchen gift that makes anyone cook with confidence like a pro. This refrigerator deodorizer looks like a small metal capsule, but it quietly eliminates odors at the source instead of masking them. Using catalytic technology, it breaks down harmful gases with no chemicals, power, or replacements needed for years. Its compact stainless steel design makes it easy to drop into fridges, drawers, or even gym bags. It's a weirdly thoughtful gift that keeps food fresher and spaces cleaner with zero effort.